Module number 3. In this module, we are going to know what is molar mass. To understand the molar mass, we must understand how to determine the molar mass of an element, how to determine the molar mass of a molecule, and how to determine the molar mass of a compound. First, what is molar mass? And how to calculate the molar mass of an element, molecule, and compound. The molar mass, the mass of a given substance, chemical, element, molecule, or compound in gram, divided by its amount of substance. What is mole? Mole is the amount of substance of a system that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. So we can define the molar mass of a particular substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance. Determining the molar mass of an element. The molar mass of an element can be the standard atomic mass in gram per mole of that atom. For example, carbon. Atomic number 6, symbol C, name of the element carbon, atomic mass 12. So, atomic mass of an element carbon 12, sodium 23, iron 56, nitrogen 14, chlorine 35.5, aluminium 27, sulfur 32, and oxygen 16 AMU. So we can say molar mass of any single element is the atomic mass of that element expressed in gram. Unit is gram per mole. So we can say molar mass of carbon is 12 gram, molar mass of sodium is 23 gram, molar mass of iron is 56 gram, molar mass of nitrogen is 14 gram, molar mass of chlorine 35.5 gram, molar mass of aluminium 27 gram, molar mass of sulfur is 32 gram, and molar mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So, mass of any single element, the atomic mass of that element expressed in gram. Determining the molar mass of a molecule. The molar mass of a molecule can be calculated by adding the standard atomic masses in gram per mole of the constituent atoms. Example, in molecule water H2O, the mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole and hydrogen is 1 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of water? 2 hydrogen is present in the water, 1 oxygen, formula is H2O. 1 hydrogen molar mass is 1 gram, second hydrogen molar mass 1 gram. So total molar mass of 2H is 2 gram. Molar mass of oxygen 16 gram. Add all them, it will be the 2 gram per mole plus 16 gram per mole, 18 gram. So we can say the molar mass of molecule water is 18 gram per mole. Determining the molar mass of a compound. The molar mass of a compound can be calculated by adding the standard atomic masses in gram per mole of the constituent element. So, in a compound NaOH, the molar mass of sodium is 23 gram per mole, the molar mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole, and hydrogen is 1 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of NaOH? Here we observe that 3 atoms are present, sodium 1 time, oxygen 1 time, hydrogen 1 time. Formula is NaOH. Mass of sodium is 23 gram, mass of oxygen is 16 gram, mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. Add them. So we obtain 23 gram per mole plus 16 gram per mole plus 1 gram per mole is equal to 40 gram per mole. So the molar mass of compound NaOH is 40 gram per mole. The compound NaCl. The mass of Na alone is 23 gram per mole. The molar mass of chlorine is 35.5 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of NaCl? As we observed that NaCl having 1 sodium mass 23 gram, 1 chlorine mass 35.5 gram, add them. So 23 gram per mole plus 35.5 gram per mole, we obtain 58.5 gram per mole. So the molar mass of compound NaCl is 58.5 gram per mole. The molar mass is the mass of a given chemical element, molecule, or compound in gram divided by the amount of substance in mole. Example number 1. How many moles of ice H2O are present in 100 gram of ice? Since the molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole, we can divide the 100 gram of water by the molar mass 18 gram per mole to find the moles of water. This is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 18 gram per mole. So, if the equation is arranged correctly, the mass unit gram cancel out and leave moles as the unit. Gram present in the given mass, gram present in the molar mass, gram will be cancelled. So 100 gram divided by 18 gram will be 5.5 moles of water. Therefore, 5.5 moles of water present in 100 gram of water or ice. Example number 2. How many molecules of sodium hydroxide are present in 90 gram of sodium hydroxide? Since the molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole, we can divide the 90 gram of NaOH by molar mass 14 gram per mole to find the moles of NaOH. This is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 40 gram per mole. If the equation is arranged correctly, the mass unit gram cancel out and leave the moles as a unit. 90 gram given mass, 40 gram molar mass, gram will be cancelled. So 90 gram divided by 40 gram, we obtain 2.25 moles of NaOH. Therefore, we can say that 2.25 moles of NaOH in 90 gram of sodium hydroxide NaOH. Example number 3. Let's consider how many moles of sodium chloride present in 12.5 gram of NaCl. Since the molar mass of NaCl is 58.5 gram per mole, we can divide the 12.5 gram of NaCl by molar mass, 58.5 gram per mole. To find the moles of NaCl, this is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 58.5 gram per mole. If the equation is arranged correctly, the mass unit gram cancel out and leave the mole as the unit. Given mass 12.5 gram divided by 58.5 gram is the molar mass, gram will be cancelled. 12.5 divided by 58.5, we obtain 0.21367 mole of NaCl. There are 0.21367 moles of NaCl in 12.5 gram of NaCl. So, molar mass can be served as a bridge between the mass of a substance and the number of moles. Since it is impossible to measure the number of moles directly. Molar mass of nitrogen molecule 28 gram, molar mass of NaCl 58.5 gram, molar mass of carbon 12.0 gram. So we can say the number of moles can be calculated with the help of given mass divided by molar mass. We can calculate molar mass with the help of given mass by dividing number of moles. Thank you.